Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kia Stinger GT versus Infiniti Q60. Let's dive into their performance. The Stinger GT boasts a robust twin-turbo V6 engine, providing exhilarating power. Similarly, the Q60 Red Sport comes equipped with a potent twin-turbo V6, ensuring a thrilling drive. Both vehicles are designed to deliver impressive horsepower and rapid acceleration, making them exciting choices for enthusiasts. We'll explore how their power delivery feels on the road. Moving inside, the Stinger GT presents a driver-focused cockpit with intuitive controls and sporty accents. In contrast, the Q60 provides a more luxurious and refined cabin, emphasizing comfort and premium materials. Both cars integrate advanced infotainment systems, offering seamless connectivity and entertainment. They also come equipped with a suite of modern safety features, enhancing peace of mind on every journey. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Stinger GT delivers a more athletic and engaging ride, with responsive steering and a firm suspension. The Q60, however, leans towards a smoother, more comfortable grand touring experience, ideal for longer journeys. When evaluating value, consider the standard features, available options, and potential ownership costs for each vehicle. Both offer compelling packages, but cater to slightly different driving preferences. Ultimately, your choice between the Stinger GT and the Q60 depends on your priorities. If you seek a sportier, more aggressive driving experience with a focus on performance, the Stinger GT is an excellent contender. If luxury, a refined cruising experience, and a sophisticated interior are more important, the Q60 might be your ideal match. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.